The lights span a 2-kilometer stretch from the main road to the local school and include key locations such as Brown River Station, the village center, the Catholic Church, and the local aid post. Mr. Namea said the project is aimed at enhancing safety, particularly for women and young people who often feel vulnerable at night. Residents welcome the project, especially mothers and young people have expressed gratitude for the improved visibility and security the lights bring, noting a newfound sense of pride in their surroundings. Looking ahead, Mr. Namea hopes to expand the project across the nearby bridge to include the Goilala community. However, he faces funding challenges and plans to formally seek assistance from the member for Hirikwari to complete the lighting project throughout Ward 5. James Guken, National EMTV News.